What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I am also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. As I was saying, I apologize for my children in advance. I do have 3 young boys, so they're quite the loud bunch. But this is the look that I am going to be doing for you guys today. As you can see, actually this is a recreation of a look I did a while back. If you scroll through my Instagram, just ignore my washer and dryer and my child's noises. But this is actually a look that I did a while back, so I'm gonna actually put the picture up right here for you guys so you can see the first time I did that look versus now me doing this look. I'm just gonna cut right to it because my baby is starting to wake up. He's kind of crabby. My 2-year-old's gonna get real loud with his games, so we're just gonna jump right on in. Starting as always with my P.Louise base in the shade number 2. Going in with my P.Louise Secret Sinner palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here called Love Shy. I'm going to start by packing the color down first where I want it in my crease. And I did prime all the way out to my hairline because I'm going to blow this look all the way out. So I'm not worried about it being perfect. I'm just kind of laying the color down right now. And then I'm not going to take it too far out because then, I mean, this is like nice and blown out, but I felt like it was a bit too blown out, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to try to keep it a little bit more contained on this side. Next, I'm going to take this pink right here called Idolized. And I'm just going to start blending this right into that first color. I get to the tail end right here, I'm just gonna flick it out a little further than I did that first color. Next, I'm gonna take this yellow called Climax, and I'm gonna start just buffing this outer layer out. It's gonna give me a really beautiful sunset vibe. And then I'm going to go back in with all of my previous colors to just perfect the blend. Now that I have the top blend, I'm going to go ahead and just cut out my crease. It doesn't need to be perfect. I didn't cut it all the way out because I'm just going to do like this side, a red line like that. So I'm going to be taking my P.Louise base, and this one is in Rude Boy Red, and I'm going to go ahead and just line this up. I'm just going to take this red right here called Velvet Kiss. And I'm just going to take a little liner brush and just set this so it doesn't move on me. Now I'm going to take my P.Louise Acid Rain in blank canvas. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and lay it back down. And then because this does dry down, I'm just going to take a little fluffy brush. Oh, I got an eyelash in there. Take a little fluffy brush and just kind of smooth this out so I could go back in with my other colors. Now I'm going to go back into Love Shy, which is the first shade, and I'm going to bring it from right under my eye. Bring it from under my eye. Just kind of do like a wing liner situation. Like that. I am going to bring this across. I'm going to bring this across my lower and above her top lash. You feel me on that. Then I'm going to go back in with Idolize, which is the pink shade. And I'm going to apply it above and below this smokiness we got going here. And then I'm going to take Climax, the yellow, and do the same step. And then I'm going to go back in with the pink Idolize. Okay, now that I am satisfied with how that blended out, I'm going to take my Peaches and Cream pigment, and this one is in Pixie. I'm going to lay it down right where there's that blank space on my lid. And then with the same brush, I'll just pack the pigment on. The first time I did this look, I actually just used like a white one, but I think the pink really complements it. And then, so now I'm going to do my face and come back and like complete the under eye and then do my lashes. And then we'll be done. So I'm going to finish up, I guess I'll put my lash on first. So I'm going to take my Beauty Creation lashes, and these ones are in Gossip. Okay, so moving on to my under eyes, which I kind of was already working on them when I was doing like above. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up, like bring it all the rest of the way. And take Love Shy, and I'm just going to pop this right up in that like waterline, not like on my waterline, but really close to it. I'm going to take Idolize, and I'm just going to buff that out. And then Climax to just bring it all the way around. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye the exact same way. So this is the completed look, my lip combo. I used the LA Girl lip pencil in burgundy, and then I used the Beauty Crop Girl Power matte liquid lipstick in Date Night, and then my Huda Beauty wifey lipstick in the center. So it's quite a combo, but this is how the vibes are going. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.